Let's count in base 5. Recall, what digit do we use in the base 5 counting system? We use digits 0 to 4. So let's start with that. We have 0 base 5. You have 1 base 5. You have 2 base 5. You have 3 base 5. You have 4 base 5. We are done with 1-digit numbers in this counting system. So move on to 2-digit numbers. And where do we start from for 2-digit numbers? We pick the first highest after 0, which is 1. Then you combine it with all those digits again. So we have 1 0 base 5. We have 1 1 base 5. You have 1 2 base 5. You have 1 3 base 5. You have 1 4 base 5. Then we move on to the second highest after 1 here, which is 2. So we have 2. Then combine with all those digits we have here again. So we have 2 0 base 5, 2 1 base 5, 2 2 base 5, 2 3 base 5, 2 4 base 5. And the next here is going to give us 3 0 base 5, 3 1 base 5. We keep counting for 2-digit numbers till we have 4 4 base 5, which happens to be the highest 2-digit number you can have in this counting system. But after the 2-digit numbers, we move on to 3-digit numbers. Now, how do we start with the 3-digit numbers? We pick the first count after 0, which is 1. They will form 3 digits using the smallest digits we have, 0 0 base 5. And we change the last digits. We keep changing the last digit, repeating the process for the last digit. So we have 1 0 1 base 5, 1 0 2 base 5, 1 0 3 base 5, 1 0 4 base 5. Now after this, move to the second digit of these 3-digit numbers, and we'll start repeating the same procedure by changing those digits to digits used in base 5. So here we have 1, we are still keeping our 1, then this is changing to 1 now. Then repeat the process again for the third digit, 0 base 5. Then you have 1 1 1 base 5. You have 1 1 2 base 5. And we keep counting in that procedure for 4 digits, for 5 digits, for 6 digits, for 7 digits. Thank you.